on sale today. This is like a nice little throwback here. The indoor grill, the indoor grill from Ninja, the Foodi, is on sale today for 46% off, which is insane. It is
Ninja
the
Foodi
Ninja
Smart XL
Foodi.
Pro
Um,
7-in-1 Indoor Grill Griddle
it's
Combo. So
so much fun.
now remember, cleaning everything inside this Ninja griddle is very easy. Like the pan that bacon is on right now, that gets removed, right? And then you can easily clean it, put it back. So perfect just to throw down, make whatever you want. You can make everything from steak to fish any time of the day. So whether it be breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you can use this to make those perfect food items the right way and make it taste so good.
It's a lot of fun, very easy to use, and me and my wife use it every single day. Um, for the kids, there's probably been thousands of chicken nuggets that have been made in that machine, and it's great. Again, 46% off.